Welcome to our tutorial on creating short animation videos using Google AI Studio. Are you ready to create a free short clip video using Google AI Studio? Let's bring characters like monkey and rabbit to life. I'll guide you step by step with a practical tutorial. Let's get started. All right, let's head over to Google. Simply type Google AI Studio in the search bar, and we'll get started. Once you've opened Google AI Studio, let's right-click on the Generate Media tool. This is where the magic happens. Go to any animation video and write any prompt you want. It will write, "Create a video of monkey eating banana." You can give prompt with more detail. Now, click on Run and wait. Oh yes, this is ready for you. You can play it by Use Play button and download it. For a more detailed step-by-step guide, please visit the link in the description below. You can also find the Google AI Studio link there. Your feedback is welcome. Stay connected and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.